Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with the second part of this tutorial, twist out versus braid out. And today we're going to be focused on the braid out. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. Today's tutorial is pretty simple. So first I'm going to start off by making sure all the hair on my mannequin is detangled, as you see me doing here with the comb. And I actually like to start off my braid out from a damp state instead of a dry or really wet state. So I've taken just a bottle of water and I'm just spraying it around my mannequin doll's head just to get the hair into a damp state. Once I'm done damping the hair, I will take my mousse, which is just a wrapping lotion, and apply that all over the mannequin doll's hair just so it can help with setting while I'm drying. Okay, we are now ready to start sectioning off the hair to begin our braiding. I start off on the side of the hair. You can start wherever you feel comfortable starting, but just as long as you section off just to make it easier for you to plait your braids around your head. So I'm starting off with this first side section, and then I would just start breaking off little sections at a time and starting to plait down for my individual braids. Okay, we are done plaiting the hair, and this is what it looks like. I did go back through with some setting mousse and rubbed it through the braids. That's optional, you don't have to do that. Just to finish this look before I set underneath the dryer, I do not want the straight ends. This is also optional as well. So I just use some flexi rods and roll the ends up so I don't have that blunt straight look at the end once I take the braids out. Okay, now that we are done drying, we are ready to take down the flexi rods as well as the braids, as you see me doing here. Okay, before I start taking the plaits out, I do go through with oil and just put some moisture back into the hair. The oil that I use that I just showed you was the sweet almond oil. You can use whatever oil that you prefer for your texture of hair. got done unraveling all of those braided plaits, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to go through now and get rid of those harsh lines as you see throughout the mannequin doll's hair. Okay guys, this is pretty much the finished look. I'm going to do a 360 turnaround so you can see the finished product. You can actually style as you want once you get to this point. I did put a few stills at the end with different styles for you to look at. And other than that, that's pretty much it. So you all know if you need to reach me, how to reach me on my different social media links below. Until next week, I'll talk to you later. Bye.